We get up very early in the morning on the Diwali day. My mom applies utna and coconut milk to us, and we use this moti saban, which is very important. इसके बिना दिवाली complete नहीं होती है. After bath we burst the kareta with the thumb of left foot and we have to eat a bit of it, and it's very kadwa, like it's so bitter you can't even have it with a straight face. I didn't show you my face. And then we all do aarti to dad, as well as my mom does aarti to us. We call it ovarna. And after that we also do it to our mom, because otherwise unko kaun karega, so we do that to our mom. And after that we have some farar. इतने दिनों की मेहनत थी वो finally we can have it on the first day of Diwali. That's what we do on the Diwali morning. As usual, I have my phone near me because मुझे चिल्लाना नहीं है. I don't want to speak very loudly. So that's why my phone is near my face. That's it. And now let's talk about what I did in the day, because, oh, first of all, Happy Diwali, Shubha Deepavali. So I hope you are having a great time. And let's start with what I did in the entire day. So सुबह उठ के अभ्यंग स्नान किया, which is very important. उसके बिना दिवाली का डे स्टार्ट नहीं होता है. So I did that, had some farar, and then basically did a few other things. Abhi just now I came back from visiting, there was a book exhibition. Usually what happens is कि इस टाइम पे, like during Diwali time, दिवाली मैगजीन्स आते हैं. सो ये जो मैगजीन्स होते हैं ना, उसमें शॉर्ट स्टोरीज, कुछ बुक्स के what do you call them, like the snippets of some books, ये सब होता है. तो we went and checked out that because it was in our library. So me and my mom went there. There were some new books, like whichever new books they were going to add to their catalog, so those were present. So I was very excited to see them. And yeah, I just hit a goal. तो फिर वो vibrate हुआ. मुझे नहीं पता था because मैंने आज बहुत कुछ किया है, तो that's why ये goal hit हुआ. Anyways, so we went there. There was multiple books which I really liked. कि मेरा ऐसा था कि मुझे ये पढ़ने हैं, तो I have taken photos of those books. Did you like the entire setup and the whole mood and the vibe? I wanted to add some lights और ये चल गए. इसका issue यही था कि वो जो पिन थी वो यूजुअली हम पूरी लगाते हैं, इस बार मुझे वो आधी ही लगानी पड़ी. आधे पे ही वो चल रहा है, पूरे पे नहीं चल रहा है. आई डोंट नो, बिकॉज उसी पॉइंट पे वो कनेक्शन बन रहा है. सो ये चल गया. वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट दैट. कन्विंस्ड माई मॉम टू गेट अ वाइट बेड शीट, लाइक दिस इज़ अ दीवान सेट, आई गेट दैट्स व्हाट इट्स कॉल्ड. सो आई कन्विंस्ड हर टू गेट दिस. इट्स सो प्रिटी, आई लव इट. बट अभी ऐसा है कि सबको बोलना पड़ेगा कि इस पर गंदे पैर बिल्कुल भी मत रखना, बिकॉज दैट्स अ बिग नो. एनीवेज, आई हैवंट रेड एनीथिंग फ्रॉम दिस बुक. And I have literally read nothing. I have read like 5% or 4% of it. So I'm gonna continue reading this. I don't know अगर ये 50% भी complete होगा या नहीं होगा. We'll see. But I'm liking the tone of it and the writing, because there are some, I mean, I can't judge it अभी, but I think it's going to be good because अभी मेरा mood भी अच्छा है. I'm in the mood of this book. If you are in the mood of a book, then automatically वो एक स्टार बढ़ जाता है. We'll see. So yes, I'm gonna continue reading this. I hope कि मैं इस व्लॉग के एंड तक इस बुक को ख़त्म करूँ. That's my goal. एक ही बुक पढ़नी है मुझे इस वीक में. So I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna update you soon. I don't know. जो भी होगा I'll vlog it. I'm going to help my sister in making rangoli. I didn't like that, rangoli. So we are making rangoli. So she is making the bigger one and I'm going to be making the door wali chotu si. I'm gonna do that and I'll show you the time lapse. I don't know, we'll see. Here's her first rough sketch and now she's going to fill the colors, I guess. What a straight line, wow. What if I call this Moon's Faces Rangoli? Makes sense, right? Please say it makes sense. Because it's such a fail. Like वो हो ही नहीं रहा. एक तो मुझे वो डोर के बहुत पास में निकालनी है रंगोली, बट वो नहीं हो रहा है. ऊपर से किसी से भी काम नहीं हो रहा है. ये ट्रिक्स दिखाते हैं बट चलते नहीं है कुछ भी. 4 बार मैंने ट्राई किया. Should I just keep it like this? Nice, yeah. It's looking nice. मुझे if you can tell कि मेरा vision क्या है, तो you'll like it. What do you think? I'm gonna do some abstract art now. And we'll see. Now I want some colors. I'm going to start with this because हमारे पास ये बहुत है. नहीं मार जोड़ा तो मार अजून बहुत. बिकॉज हमारे पास ये बहुत अरे जाना हाँ. सो हमारे पास ये कलर बहुत ज़्यादा है. तो I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna do free like abstract art now. Also let's अच्छा ह्याच्यात वाजतं. हाँ आवाज कर मोठा किती. I'll give you my sister's update now, like rangoli का update. और it's very hot right now. Yeah, I'll show you. Wait. Nice, right? I think you all saw what I did there. I don't think I want to do this. I want to go home. I mean inside. I'm gonna go with the most basic thing. She did what? Lakshmi Pujan day and we did the puja, and now I'm going to give you all the update on this book. I'm 23% in this book and the girl, our main character, her name is, which I have already forgotten. So our main character gets laid off and she lives in US. She was born in US. So she was initially not going to go to her best friend's wedding in Mumbai. But now since she has time, so she decides to go to the wedding. She comes to Mumbai and it's Diwali time. So she is enjoying the festivities. She is seeing Indian Diwali for the first time. And we see her comparing it with the way they celebrate it in US, and she is also Punjabi. So we see her seeing all the other cultural like in India also there are multiple cultures, and we all celebrate it in different ways. So we see her meeting people who celebrate it, like she meets a Bengali, she meets Maharashtrians, she herself is Punjabi. So we see all those things, all those ways of how people like celebrate Diwali and why they celebrate it, which is really good. Like I love to read that. Also, it was great to see how they celebrate in US. I'm liking it so far. I hope the romance is just as good as how this all the entire Diwali books are. So we'll see how it goes. Also, we went to get some Bhai Dooj gifts, like Bhaubiz gifts. This time I decided to go for a healthier option, that is dry fruits. But at the same time, I thought कि सबको dry fruits नहीं अच्छे लगेंगे, because there are brothers who are like older, like 25, 20, in their 20s, and there are some who are like 6, 7, 8. So it was better option to add some chocolates, like one portion of the gift is chocolates and others are dry fruits. So that's what we got today. So we got some gifts for the sisters, like cousin sisters as well, because सब लोग कुछ ना कुछ एक दूसरे को छोटी सी चीज़ दे देते हैं एज अ गिफ्ट. सो वी थॉट के हम लोग इस बार सबको देंगे कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग से, बिकॉज यूजुअली वी गो फॉर स्वीट्स, बट दिस टाइम वी थॉट कि गर्ल्स को तो ईजी होता है ना गिफ्ट देना, तो वी आर गेटिंग देम सम पेंडेंट्स. सो येस, दैट्स व्हाट वी डिसाइडेड. सो येस, दैट्स इट. आई डोंट नो कल मैं व्लॉग करूँगी या नहीं, बिकॉज देयर इज़ नथिंग स्पेशल ऐसा कुछ कि जिसके लिए आई विल गेट अप एंड गेट रेडी. Why my hair looks so crazy? But after tomorrow is Bhai Dooj. So I hope I'll get time to vlog. But I don't think मैं सब कुछ vlog करूँगी, because I don't want to make other people awkward. It's been few days and I finished the book. Bhai Dooj के 2 दिन बाद I finished it and it was a really cute rom-com. I wish कि उसमें ज़्यादा दिवाली traditions, दिवाली days होते, but there was just one दिवाली party. It was okay. मतलब अगर हॉली जॉली दिवाली उसमें क्रिसमस भी है, like Christmas Day is also mentioned, so maybe that's why it's holly jolly Diwali के दिवाली से लेके क्रिसमस तक का पूरा like the story starts with Diwali party and ends on the Christmas day, so maybe that's why it's called holly jolly Diwali. But I wish कि दिवाली का थोड़ा और होता. It's okay. The chemistry was not that amazing, but they had actual conversations which made the book very realistic. Also they had their dysfunctional family dynamics, दोनों के भी दोनों साइड पे. So they sorted those things. They had some issues with their life, they had to figure things out, they did that. So it was a really good book and I would rate it around 3.75 to 4. Final rating यहाँ पे आएगा. So that's it about the book. Even though the Diwali vlog is ending here, दिवाली ख़त्म नहीं हुई है. Even though जो मेन जो 4 दिन होते हैं वो भाई दूज तक होते हैं, but Diwali ends on not even on Tulsi. So there's one more event, that is तुलसी विवाह. So उस दिन पे actually हमारे यहाँ पे तुलसी की शादी होती है and then the wedding season begins. So I'll put up some pictures from last year. So yes, that is pending. So Diwali is like 2 weeks to 3 weeks ka entire season. So these lights will be up till then. So I'm very happy. They look so cozy and cute. And yes, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and thanks for watching. Bye.